Is your team feeling stressed and stretched? Would you like to increase productivity and decrease stress in your organization? With my dynamic, targeted time management workshop, you'll learn important principles and skills. The benefits include greater control over your time, the confidence that you're working on the right things at the right time, and more time freed up for focus work and projects daily. Here are the 8 life-altering topics I offer. 1. Time choices. Here we cover making the best time choices for your workday, including determining each person's most productive time of day. 2 is work-life balance. This focuses on tips and ideas for balancing work and life. Very tricky. We discuss how to do the top priorities and still have time for personal life. 3 is priorities and planning. How to plan effectively and schedule tasks realistically into your week so you don't overload your schedule. Also, we cover Eisenhower's time matrix, a must for prioritizing effectively. 4 is time estimation. How long do tasks really take? And 5 is time-saving email strategies. 6 is handling interruptions. Don't let them ruin your day. 7 is fitting in time for focus work and important projects, which often get put on the back burner. And 8 is meetings. Other topics are available with our custom time management workshop. You'll see several benefits from this training. Once your team starts implementing the skills I teach, everyone will have time for goals and what's important. You'll stop feeling overwhelmed by your endless to-do list, and you'll decrease stress and burnout. You'll also start having enough time for what matters to you. You'll have more control over your time, and with this new time management skill set, you'll do what works consistently and get results. Just imagine how this seminar will change your productivity, output, and profit. Call me today or schedule a free discovery session by clicking the button. Thanks for joining me.